Farescape engineers, this is Farescape number 2. What we have is just a balcony there with one ladder. The ladder, I couldn't access the ladder from the window. The window was closed. I could only open about 6 inches, but not go through the ladder, or the window rather. This ladder here has a mechanism that I took a picture of, that it's unlocked right now. And the only thing that's holding this ladder together is a chain over there. What this ladder needs to be not only lubricated, but need to replace the pulleys and the cables in order to lower the ladder as it's supposed to, and then lock it in position. So this ladder is not function. Actually, can't even have access to the ladder right now. So this ladder will fail the inspection. Any questions? This is Farescape Engineers, 1-800-649-3333.